PrimoLingo app. The purpose of this app is to have fun learning languages. This is a tutorial on how this app works. When you first open the app, you are presented with many picture lessons. Each of these pictures are different lessons. If you scroll up and down, you can see up to 28 different lessons and 3 games. There are 2 flags on top of the screen. The left flag is the language you are interested in exploring and learning. The right flag is either your native language or a language you are familiar with. When the app starts for the first time, it defaults to learning French, left flag, and your native language is assumed to be English. Change the flags to what you desire. The way the app works is that you click on a picture. It tells you what the word below the picture is in the chosen language, left flag, followed by a sentence, and will display that information on the bottom of the screen. You will also hear the translation of the word and the picture. The language is as set by the right flag.
Números.
Note that if you click the text box at the bottom after the text is displayed, the sentence will be repeated. If sentences are chosen, the default settings, the app will also follow the item description with a sentence to complement this word. This will allow you to learn with words and sentences. When the app first opens, it shows you 28 different lessons, followed by 3 language quizzes or games. Using this app, you can play with 13 different languages and 6 different accents. You can also explore how to say words in different languages. For example, you can learn how a word is said in Portuguese and hear the difference on how it is also said in Spanish or Italian by merely switching the left flag and tapping on the picture again. Once you choose the flags, you can begin by going through the lessons one at a time. You can start first with numbers.
Sistema de
Anytime you are in a lesson, you can
ar-condicionado.
click on the
Die
main menu button
Klimaanlage
on
macht
top
das
of the
Zimmer
screen to
kalt.
let the app
O
go into auto
sistema de
mode. In auto
ar-condicionado
mode, the
deixa a
app
sala
scrolls one
fria.
picture at a time and describes it to you. Once you are
Klimaanlage.
done with the words
Sistema
lessons,
de
you go into the alphabet.
ar-condicionado.
Please note that word
Aquarium.
screen is a
Aquário.
one-flag screen.
Zessel.
Anytime
Braço de
during any
cadeira.
lesson, you can change languages by changing the
Bücherregal.
flags. You can keep going in each lesson and learn the time, the numbers, weeks, and years, and then you get into the basics of each language, followed by items found in a restaurant, a bedroom, a living room, and many other real-life situations. Let's look at the hospital icon, for example. You can start off by clicking on each picture individually, or you can click on the top button, which contains the number of words in these lessons. The title for each page is the Auto Mode Entry button. Once clicked, you go into auto mode. In auto mode, the words flow one after the other, and they are said by the app in both
Accidente.
flag languages.
Несчастный случай.
Let's go back and try the next lesson. But
Admisión.
first, let's change the
Допущение.
language we are learning. Left flag, from the
Aceptado.
default French to
Допущенный.
Spanish. And let's also change the native language,
Ayuda.
right flag,
Помогать.
to Russian. In this case, you will hear and see the
Alérgico.
Spanish words and see
Аллергический.
both language translations in the bottom. Notice
Ambulancia.
the heart on the
Скорая
bottom
помощь.
left side of the screen. Once you find a word that you
Cita.
like and
Деловое
want to remember,
свидание.
click on the
Встреча.
heart. Clicking on the heart saves the word
Ассистенты.
to your favorites.
Помощник.
You always go to your favorites by clicking the question
Evitar.
mark menu
Избегать.
and choose the heart symbol. This will allow you to return to your favorite
Gravemente.
words and
Плохо.
sentences. Another cool feature of the app is that you can
Bolsas.
always go back to the last word you were learning in the last session. You go back to the last lesson from the login menu by clicking the green return button. Once clicked, your lesson progress is tracked, and you can return there anytime the app starts. Go
Médico.
through all the lessons one at a time and play with languages. That will be fun to explore how things are said in different languages. The app help screen allows you to learn more about the question mark
Limpieza.
menu and all its
Очищение.
wonderful features. A note about the question mark menu. You can use the question mark to get help for the screen you are on, go into app settings and download different voices, change the number of screen icons. Another cool feature of this app is that you can toggle the app colors. You can toggle the screen color as well as the text box colors, like this. The Find menu is used to find a word within a lesson. Here is an example. Let's try the supermarket icon. In this lesson, you are learning Italian, and your native language is Korean. We will click on the main menu title to go into auto mode. Let's listen for a little bit.
Almendras. Миндаль.
Apetitoso.
Аппетитно.
Pie de manzana.
Яблочный пирог.
アーモンド、
Яблоко.
食べ物、
Avocado.
アボカド、
Bacon.
Mouse.
Bananas.
فول.
Beans.
رغيف خبز.
Bread loaf.
رغيف الخبز.
Bread.
Last three icons are games that are used to test what you have learned. The first icon, titled Alphabet Challenge, this is a fun game that allows you to find pictures that begin with a certain randomly chosen alphabet letter. The next two games are a spelling game and find a match game. They are fun games to play.
Haga clic en todas las imágenes que comienzan por la letra U. Caballo. Urbe. Universidad. Ultrasonido. Urgente. Bien, avancemos. Busque las imágenes comentadas por B.
Klicken Sie auf alle Bilder, die mit dem Buchstaben F beginnen. Rechts. Fliege. Frosch. Flügel. Flugzeug. Radio. Flamingo. Gut. Nächste. Suchen Sie die Bilder, die mit M beginnen.
Clique em todas as imagens que começam com a letra L.
Desafío de ortografía.
chapeau, hibou, recherche de mots,
Keychain.
porte-clés,
Garlic bread.
pain à l'ail,
Microwave.
micro-ondes,
Help needed. Wasp.
黄蜂,
Apartments.
公寓,
Homeless. Stitches. Puntadas. Humidity. Humedad. Janitor.
Give them a try. Please note that you can change voices by going into the question mark menu and choose App Settings, and then click Change Languages and Voices. We will be adding new lessons and making some improvements to the app periodically. Please provide us with your feedback or any additions that you would like to see. Goodbye.